Hi, I'm Chris Robertson, and welcome to Appliance Repair. Today, I've been asked by a friend to show them how to take out the hub inside this washer. Now, as you see, disclaimer, this is actually the tub itself, transmission, everything except the case. This is what I had laying around. I've already taken off the center cap, which is going to be in the center of the plate. Now, yours may or may not look exactly like this. It's okay. Also have an example of one that actually has an agitator that came out of a Maytag. And it will look real similar to that. You'll notice the bottom plate. So what we're going to do here is we're going to get to this hub. Now, another disclaimer, I have taken this one apart already just to make sure it's easy. I'll try to get my camera balanced so you can see what's going on. Now, when you go inside there, you see that nut, that screw. That is a 7/16 screw. I've got mine on a drill, but you can also use a socket. You just take that screw out, and then sometimes you can jiggle it. I also like to get a pair of channel locks. These are the really big ones. And there's a lip that goes all the way around it, and you can go ahead and clamp onto that and just sort of kind of wiggle it back and forth, side to side, and it will come off. Like I said, I've already taken that one off, so yours may take a little bit of wiggling to get into. Now, I want to show you this on the inside. Those are the splines that actually go into the transmission. I don't know how well you can see them, but they interconnect with that. And they just push on there. If you have one with a metal insert, and you'll know because it'll look a lot different than this, and you'll actually be able to see a metal ring inside there with the gears. Check that, make sure those gears look nice. This one looks real good. You see, there's no broken ones. Everything's good inside there. So that's going to be a good one. Now, what you're wanting to get to is now accessible. It is that hub. Now, what we'll do here is you grab a flathead screwdriver and you get it right in between there and just pry it out. Okay. And now you can see there's 6 screws, Phillips heads, all the way around. Now, here's an important tip. You notice how I don't take the screws all the way out. Get them to where they're just about ready to come out. Just like so. If you leave them where they're just about ready to come out and you can just sort of kind of unscrew them by hand and wiggle them out, they won't fall down into those little holes. Which if you do that, you're going to have to pull the whole tub, which is a whole process. See, I don't know if you saw that, but I'll do it again because I'm not going to reuse this. But yeah. you're lucky it stays there, but if not, it'll go right down in there. And then you either have to fish it out or it goes into the bottom of the tub, like that one just did. And then you have to take the whole tub out. Now, we've got the hub off and everything. Now, I've not taken this loose. What you do is you just get like the same flathead screwdriver and just sort of kind of work your way around it. And should just slide off. Now, what you're looking for is, again, the same splines on the inside. Do you see them right there? If you have any that are